Hello everybody. Welcome to our kitchen. We are trying something a little bit different for dinner tonight. So recently we were in New Orleans and had some char-grilled oysters and we really liked them. So we are actually trying to make them at home. So John is currently outside with the grill and the oysters, and he should be in here momentarily to show us the final product. So I'll show you when he comes in, and it looks like he just got here. I picked up these fresh Blue Point and Old Salt oysters from Whole Foods, 16 of them in total. If you have an Amazon Prime account, live oysters are just $12 a dozen on Fridays. Now let's get these on the grill.
Here's our half oysters. Don't mind the flames.
You're not going to have any hairs on your knuckles. You didn't need them anyway.
I don't have hairy knuckles anyways. Ooh, that went bad. Sounds like the shell's exploding. It's like when you put hot rocks in the campfire, or wet rocks in the campfire. Sort of good. That one really charred.
They're sizzling. Oh yeah, that one really. That one's going to be toasted to the.
We're gonna move that one
to the grill, or to the shell.
Well, that was the one that split in half.
Okay. Maybe they should have been a little bit less direct. You just lost all the juice of that one.
There. I'll put a little butter on them. I think there's the only way I want to do this.
It's fine. It's just you and me.
Well, they're getting grilled anyway, so oops, that was a lot of butter. Well, that's right over the mesquite chunk there. Smells good though. Ooh.
Yeah, I didn't know that you had to grill them, cook them first. I just assume you, when they're cold, you put the butter on.
Holy crap, that one freaking blew everywhere. Well, live and learn.
Yep.
First time doing this.
So maybe it should be off heat.
We're not. We'll fill them up. It's hot. My hand's getting burned. Yeah, for a first timer, we'll see how these turn out.
Well, it's live and learn, right?
They smell delicious. Smells good.
Okay. Here is the final product, fresh off the grill. They look and they smell good. We'll give them a taste test. So overall, we had an excellent experience here. It was fun to try to copy what we experienced in New Orleans. John did a fabulous job. We do know some tips and tricks to try for next time. So I think we would do a little bit more butter and then possibly a little less breadcrumbs and things like that. But I think we kind of nailed it. We enjoyed our experience for our oysters, our first time trying to make char-grilled oysters at home. So thanks for watching.